Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. I am Nova Yunipuspitasari. As the speaker in this presentation, I am going to talk about Indonesia population growth rate. And my talk will be in two parts. In the first part, I will introduce myself. My name is Nova Yunipuspitasari, NIM 241221001, class management 2C morning. For the next part, I will explain the topic to be discussed. Indonesia's population growth rate, the year 2010 until 2020. Population growth rate. Population growth is the change in population over time and can be calculated as the change in the number of individuals in a population using a unit time for measurement. Population growth happens because of birth rate. The term birth rate or growth birth rate of a population is the number of births 1,000 people in the year. Mortality. Mortality is a measure of the average death rate of the population in a certain area or region. In simple terms, mortality is the number of deaths due to certain disease or natural deaths. Mortality is one of the important components in population. Migration. Migration is the movement of an organization from one biome to another. Migration is simply defined as the displacement. This is a diagram from population composition. Indonesia's population grew during the 2010 until 2020 period experienced a slowdown compared to previous decade. That's one of conclusion from the 2020 population census held by the Central Statistic Agency. In last year's census, Indonesia's population was 270.20 million. This figure reflects a population increase 32.56 million people from the previous census held in 2010. If on average, there is an increase in population of 3.26 million people every year. Population growth period 2010 until 2020 as much 1.25% in year, while in the previous decade, namely 2000 until 2010, average population growth in Indonesia reached 1.49%. For the composition of the population of Generation Z to be the largest population group, the portion of the population born in the 1997 until 2012 period is equal to 27.94% of the population in Indonesia. In holding the 2020 census using combination method, using registration data that is relevant to the census equipped with a survey sample. The census takes place in two stages, namely online, and the next stage is conducting field checks such as checking the population list and field verification. The COVID-19 pandemic was the main obstacle in holding last year's population census. The government budget adjustment made the allocation of funds for the census change from 4,034 trillion to 1,102 trillion when compared to population. The cost of the last year population census was $0.26 capita trimmed to from the original budget of 1.3 USD capita. So much for the presentation of the material that I have conveyed. More or less sorry and thank you.